from Roofer 911. Today we're doing a roof repair in the city of Leesburg, Virginia. The homeowner had a few sources that was causing leaks from ice dam and also from heavy downpour. We took off the old shingles here. We took off about maybe 6 courses of shingles. The gutter was removed. We fully adhered the ice and water shield to the plywood, and we overlapped the wood fascia board about 4 inches, and then we screwed the new gutter, the old gutter back into place. And the ice and water shield covers the gap where the plywood and the fascia board join together, and it also seals the screws from behind that's holding the gutter into place. So even if we had a really heavy melting snow or ice dam, the leak will not come back again. Also, they had a leak right in this area here, and whoever did the step flashing, they did it all wrong. They put nails in the flashing. So all the flashing over here is okay, but over here there was nails in the flashing right up against the wall. So the flashing here is being removed and replaced. And then we put the ice and water shield along. The type of shingles that we're installing is Certainty Landmark Heather Blend. Now, after the roof repair is completed, if there's a driving rain blowing towards this wall here, they could still have a leak, and I'll show you why. Right here. You can see there's the molding here, there's a large gap, and then there's a large gap here. And now water can get inside, travel behind the fascia board and the molding, and it would leak behind the flashing and inside the home. Also, there's another big gap right up there. So we're going to seal this with white polyurethane. And this gap here will not cause the leak over here, but it would cause the leak straight down. So we're going to just seal that. So once we're done, we targeted these leaks from every possible angle so they will not have any more leaks. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair, roof replacement, and gutter and downspout replacement in Leesburg and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.